Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify typography pairing for brand pages in Canva, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify typography pairing for brand pages in Canva, start by opening your Canva account. Navigate to the brand page where the typography settings are configured. Review the primary font selected for your brand. Check if the primary font aligns with your brand's identity and values. Next, identify the secondary font being used in the pairing. Ensure that the secondary font complements the primary font. Look for contrasting elements such as weight, style, or size between the two fonts. Test different font combinations within Canva's font selection tool. Create sample text blocks using both the primary and secondary fonts. Evaluate readability and visual appeal of each pairing. Consider how the typography looks in various formats, such as headings and body text. Utilize Canva's preview feature to see the typography in action across different designs. Make adjustments if necessary, trying alternative font combinations to enhance visual harmony. Once satisfied, document your finalized typography pairing within your brand kit. Save the updated brand kit to ensure consistent application across all projects. Regularly revisit and verify typography pairings as your brand evolves. Stay updated on new typography trends that could enhance your brand identity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.